If you want to fix the battery drainage on Samsung Galaxy A05, first let's open our notification tab. Right here we can see all of the notifications that would come to our device, and if you have something like a timer or something that looks weird right here, I strongly recommend to turn it off, as the running timer or stuff like that eats a lot of battery. Then while we are at our notification bar, we can open quick access icons and then try to turn off anything that would drain battery, like location, torch. We can also turn off mobile data, but that is really bad, so I wouldn't do that. But if you really want to save battery, you can turn it off. Also Wi-Fi calling, basically anything that could use a battery right here. There's also a dark mode. When you activate it, it should save you a lot of battery. For some reason I think it didn't toggle. Let's check it inside of the settings. Yep, we're in the dark mode. And also next thing is to not use any animated wallpapers. That eats a lot of battery. Now finally, when we have that everything covered in our home screen, we can move to the settings. Scroll down inside of the settings and go for your device care. I would actually visit this place a lot and then click on optimize sometimes, at least, to optimize your device, and this should also fix some of the battery drainage. We can move to memory as well. Then it will check your memory usage, and you can clean your memory to also save your battery. Okay, so it's done. We can go back. So there's everything in device care that could help. Let's move to the battery settings itself. So here we can adjust our battery saving and battery protection and other stuff. So let's go for our battery saving first. When you click on it, you can adjust the settings, what will happen when you enter power saving and turn it on. There's a limit CPU speed to 70%. You can enable it to save up a lot of battery, decrease the brightness of your screen by 10%, and limit apps and home screen. You can also limit the brightness a lot as well, just to save the additional battery as well. So I should mention that. Now when it's enabled, we'll enter that battery saving mode, and our phone will change. But if you're really low on battery and have no way to charge it, then this mode should save basically your battery by a lot. As you can see, now it will be running for 8 days and 18 hours when this mode is active. And that's all of the tips for this video.